your love is like a wind that blows. I can't give up and I can't let go.
Hi guys, it is Friday today. So yes, start of the new week for my weigh-in. So yeah, all good this week, nothing major happening, so I should be brilliant this week. No little hiccups. Let's hope I don't have any emotional hiccups. So yes, I'm having my usual this morning, Weetabix, as you probably know. Looking a little bit pale this morning. Think I need to put some fake tan on. This is my natural skin. Yeah, pale, white. Anyway, so nothing to hinder me this week. Nothing at all. Oh, can I just show you something? Oh, he was just playing with his little toy. Jinky, play with your toy. Nothing to hinder me this week. So Sam's on late next week, so that means I'm on my own in the evenings, which means I can be super on plan because he's the naughty one. He likes the temptation. So yeah, so I can make food and everything. I'll be by myself because he's on late, and yeah, it should be a really good week. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to a bigger loss next week. I want to at least get £1 because that means I'll get my Half Stone award, which is yay. But we'll just have to see. So I will catch you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Sunday night. I know I didn't this lighting's not very good, is it? I'm so pale still. Anyway, yeah, I didn't film this morning because we just had a normal Sunday Slimming World breakfast. And tonight I haven't really cooked much because I've been busy painting for another video. So yeah, so today I'm just having one of them pasta and sauces. I think this is 2 or 3 sins. Now I've only had 4 sins, maybe 5, and then I had a little bar this afternoon, so that's another 3. That's 8 sins altogether, and I think this is about 3. So that's 11. So not bad at all. So I'm having this, which is the pasta and sauce. This is the mushroom one. Yeah, so I'm having that for dinner. It's a little bit of a quick dinner, if you know what I mean. I think Sam's going to put a pizza on, so I'm going to have this because it's low sin. I'm not dead starving anyway. And I'm going to... I've been busy all day doing painting, so I'm going to now sit down and watch some TV because, oh, I don't like that light, because tomorrow is back to work, so it's Monday, so yeah, what joy. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Monday today. Not my favourite day of the week. I'm a bit tired this morning, woke up with a headache. I take it it's probably because I did a lot of painting yesterday, and some of the paint that I was using was very smelly, really bad, and I think that's probably what's giving me a headache. So I'm going to take some paracetamol. I'm going to have a coffee when I get to work. Mondays is not my favourite day. I think I did okay. I kind of snacked a little bit last night. I had an extra piece of toast because I didn't have a big tea, as you saw what I had. I'm trying to think. I haven't organised anything for lunch today because I've spent my whole weekend decorating. So I don't know what I'm going to eat actually yet. I'm going to take another one of those pasta things for lunch. So yeah, nothing much to say, only I don't like Mondays. Hi guys, it is Monday evening. So yeah, what I'm having for tea, I do like to put some recipes together, but so tonight I decided I wanted to make a pasta bake. So I based half of the recipe on a Deliciously Ella recipe, so it's completely sin-free. I added chicken to it. Obviously Deliciously Ella is totally vegan, so I added chicken, and I had one of my healthy option A's, which is some cheese. So I've done it in 3 portions. So here we have so I measured out, I only had 100 grams of cheese anyway, and I know you're allowed 40 grams for a healthy option A. So I've got a big one here, and I'm going to have half of this for my lunch tomorrow, and the other half of this for Sam. And then I've got a little one here, which is going to be for my tea tonight. Yeah, so I kind of hodgepodge that together. I'm sure it tastes nice. I added a few little different bits and pieces. If you're interested in the recipe, I can leave it below. I think I had a little bit of taste of the sauce before I put it in the oven, but obviously with the cheese it's going to make it taste really good. So yes, I'm just going to eat that now. I'm doing really good on the sin wise. I've only had 0.5% at lunchtime for a pasta and I had pasta at lunchtime as well. Pasta and sauce, sorry, I had at lunchtime, which was half a sin because I had the spicy arrabbiata, and obviously, and then I had a hi-fi bar, which was 3, so I've only had 3.5 sins all day. Brilliant, because I think I kind of went a little bit overboard yesterday, so I've got to try and claw it back, but this is going to fill me up now. This is my healthy option A. I've only had 3.5 sins. Job's a good in. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Tuesday today. Let's not get the days mixed up this week. Yeah, had a really uneventful day, to be honest. Had leftover pasta bake that you saw last night for dinner today. Kept the sins quite low. I had none all day up till, when did I have sins? Till later on tonight, and I had one of those Fibre One bars, which I think is like 3.5, and then I had some Pom Bears, which is 4, so that's 7.5, and then I had a little bit of milk because I had a pasta and sauce for dinner. I think it's about 3 sins. So I've had about 10.5 sins today, not a lot really. Just a pasta and sauce for tea. I'm kind of not made anything properly because I got back a bit late. Yeah. So tomorrow is Wednesday and then it's weigh-in Thursday. So I've got to order the shop online now. I'm going to try and do, because Sam's on late this week, it makes it a bit difficult, but next week I'm going to try and maybe plan some meals for the evenings instead, so that we can get some more veg in, some more speed in, because I think I'm lacking a little bit on the speed, so I need to do that really. So I'm going to go, maybe tomorrow, go through the books and sort of start making a prep recipe sort of list for what we're going to have next week, because Sam's at home, so that means we can eat tea together. So I'll try and be a bit more organised. It's quite difficult because of his shifts, but otherwise I end up eating by myself and cooking for myself. So, you know, I end up making a whole load of food and there's only me eating it, or Sam eats it later. So yeah, so feeling okay, you know. Not got any like tummy ache or anything like I had a few weeks ago. That's all seems to be sorted. So yeah, so hopefully I'll get my half stone this week. Should do. So we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you in the morning. Hi guys, it is Wednesday today, so I'm just sorting out tea. It is quite late, you know me. It is 10 to 8, so yeah, I'm having for tea, I'm having a jacket potato. I was going to have a pulled pork burger, but I thought I had none left, and then I found one in the freezer, but by that time I'd put on some Linda McCartney sausages, so I'm just waiting for my steam veg. I've been running around. Just waiting for my steamed veg to ping in the microwave. So here my tea is ready. This is what it looks like. Obviously going to use my healthy option A cheese because I've not had that yet. I only had one this morning. I've got my sausages and some veg. So I'm trying to keep it as low as possible because it's weigh-in day tomorrow and I want to do well, so I want to get my half stone, so I better wear some light clothes tomorrow. Yeah, so wish me luck and I'll update you tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Thursday today. Obviously it's been weigh-in today. Yeah, I've got to admit that I only maintained this week. What went wrong? I don't know. I think I've not had enough speed, that for sure, because I've been doing a lot of decorating this week, so I've kind of, apart from, was it Tuesday where I made the pasta bake, but again it's just all carbs, so there wasn't much speed in that. So yeah, I've not had a lot of speed. I've been feeling a little bit bloated again. Tummy is not very good at the moment. I don't know whether that's attributing to it, but at least I didn't put on, but I haven't got my half stone yet, which I'm kind of gutted about. So I'm going to get back to planning next week. Sam's at home in the evenings next week because he's on early shift, so we'll be able to have some dinner. So I'm going to make like shepherd's pie. I'm going to do the pasta bake again. I'm going to put a lot of veg with it. I got a veg box with the Morrison shop again. I got some extra veg as well, so there's no excuses to eat the veg. It's not that I've not had veg. I've had veg, but maybe I've not had enough veg, and because I'm feeling a bit bloated as well, it's not been good. So yes, I'm going to get my meal planner book out. I'm going to start planning properly next week, and I'm definitely going to hit my half stone next week. So I need to just get back on track. It's not that I've been naughty. I don't think I've gone over my sins. I just think, I don't know what it is. Maybe I've just not had enough speed this week, that's all. So yeah, don't know. I've had a bit of chocolate, but it was within my sin range, so don't see how that would have been an issue. But you know, but who knows, who knows what your body's going through. I might start switching it up a little bit more on breakfast as well, because I kind of just aim for Weetabix all the time, so I might just start going back on porridge for a little change, or maybe have some fruit and yogurt. I do really like that, and when I was having that at lunchtime as part of my lunch, I actually saw a good, that was when I lost the 2.5 pounds, which was really good. So I might just get back onto that. So yeah, so I'm going to do that. So yeah, maintain this week, which is like a okay, at least I didn't put on sort of well. But that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my video and my weekly update. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.